was the temporary place where we were living in an Airbnb. But this is our new rented place, so let me show it to you very quick. So upon entering this apartment, on the very left side you can see this mirror, so that you can always dress up yourself before getting out or before getting in. And after that we have this closet here, and it is very normally here in Canada to have this closet, because usually you have to wear jacket or other clothes which you need to always keep handy. So this place is really important and really useful for you. And yeah, we also keep our other cleaning equipment over here. And after that I'll show you this washer and dryer. In this condo, this washer and dryer is insured, but this is not very normally. In apartment, usually you have to either you have a shared one where you have to pay like $1.50 or $2 per load, which is quite expensive at the end of the month. But here it is just insured, so the electricity will be there. Of course, you have to pay for what you use, but that's not that much. It's just nominal price you will be paying at the end of the month. After that, I'll show you my daughter's room. She is usually playing here around, and it's right now organized, because for this video we have just organized everything, but usually it stays really messy. After that, I'll show you this bathroom or washroom, whatever you may call, but they usually call it a half bathroom, but for we Indian it is a full bathroom, because it has like shower and everything we would probably Indian would need. It doesn't have a bathtub, that's it. Otherwise it has everything. I really like the this storage place where it is storing my important things and saving items and other stuff like that. The best part of our condo, that is our living space. Here is the kitchen and our main drawing room, and on the left side you can see our master bedroom. Now I'll start with the kitchen first. You may not recognize, this is a fridge actually, and there is a freezer below that, and this is a induction based cooktop, and this is completely touch screen. As you can see, we can operate it like that. This is really interesting. Above that, here is a chimney they have given, and underneath that here is a oven, and we have ample of storage space here. And I would like to tell you that the best part of this kitchen is that the dishwasher is attached with this. This is really usual here in Canada, but back in India this is not really usual, and this is really helpful because you can easily wash your cookware or dishes and put it back at its place. And we have our prayer place here, and we usually offer our prayer here. And we have also another microwave oven here. We store our nasta over here as well. So this is our master bedroom. So this is our bed, and we have a full bathroom here with a bathtub. So they call it a full bathroom because it has a bathtub. And this is really good. We have hot water flowing 24 hours, and we have like storage space again below the wash basin, and this is really convenient. We have a good storage here as well. It is such a spacious one, you can see, and yeah, here as well. So yeah, this is really good. But the best thing about our bedroom is that I really like the view of it, because while sleeping or while sitting over here we can have such a good view of the Calgary city. This is of course downtown, so we just have a C-train station nearby. We have a bus stand under our building, just close to our building, you can say. So yes, our bedroom is really good. I really like to be over here and I enjoy my time. This is our dining space and our living space here, and we spend most of the time sitting on this couch or watching outside or having some tea or snacks here. and this is such a good view from our living space. And once everything will when the summer will be started, I think we'll have so much greenery to view. And this TV is of course a smart one, so it has Netflix. We have accounts for Amazon Prime, Netflix and Hotstar, so we enjoy a lot of movies here, Indian movies. Of course, I'd like to show us our balcony view because this is really expensive view. There you can see the Stampede, and the Stampede here is really popular because lots of people are coming over here to visit it in the month of July. This year it has been cancelled.